I swear it. I was standing on this side of the road. That full driver was indicating this place. Pam, pam, pam. So me, I now moved to this other side. Before I could say anything, this guy just zoomed past this place. And I was like, what happened? Like, where? You don't see me? You know, since they come. I said, bro, you were showing here, but you came here. He said, Shebi, they show you where you go pass.
Funny Bone Live, Aina Son.
Sammy, I'm not your mate. I'm paying band A. Good evening. You know what it means to be paying band A in Lagos. You know that you're a billionaire. When you pay for light and you start measuring, band A is useless. So I don't know. See, let me tell you, if you're irregular, don't let anybody deceive you. If you are successfully paying band A, you are as rich as the people here. They are not better than you. You are a trillionaire. In my area now, nobody is turning on any. You enter people's house like this, you'll be hearing something vibrate, you not see light. Everybody has turned to mathematician online. They'll go online. How many units does AC really use? How many? Is it true? Is me that is? Everybody in my side now, all their prepaid meter is sounding like time bomb. Red, beep, beep, beep. You don't burn you. If it's on green, you are doing ritual. You hear me? Nobody, now I like this country. Nobody really cares about you. As we are worrying about electricity tariff and taxation, government is thinking about how to renovate Senate building with 30 billion. Nobody sends you that much now. Everybody, see, I strongly believe that by now, weed should be legal in Nigeria. Igbo. Because there's no way you can convince me that our leaders are not smoking it. That national anthem, you did not see the way they changed that thing. Nobody's talking about it again, no. They just came up with a national anthem and they just said, how far now? This national anthem, they dull. Just let something have bedu, give us bedu. They told it Nigeria. The person that formed that national anthem, you know that she's a UK lyricist. She's like the Vector, the Viper of UK in that year. Lyricist. The way they are doing that national anthem now, after now they'll change it again. They'll put on a piano. National anthem and a piano. That's when you see people dancing national anthem on TikTok. Nigeria. We are getting there. Let me tell you, personally, I always knew that Mr. President would like that national anthem. I always knew it. Yeah, if you've stayed in Lagos before, you will like it. It has Agbero vibes. Hear the first line now. Nigeria, we all major hey Nigeria, I see you. Just has that vibe. The pressure we are facing, please, if I'm telling any joke this evening, I don't want to see any footballer laughing. No Nigerian Super Eagles, I don't want to see any joy from you. If you know what you did, you let a country, Benin Republic, a country that's notable for smuggling rice and turkey, you let them beat you. If I catch anybody laughing any nonsense laughter, all this Nigerian food, if I catch anybody, the country is running us mad now. On a steady, Nigerians are running crazy, but nobody knows. I saw one survey. If you're in Lagos, you know the mental pressure that's always in your mind. I saw one survey, and you can confirm it. Mental institution in Nigeria said that out of every 7 people, 4 of them have poor mental health in Lagos. 4 out of 7 people in Lagos, another way of saying 4 out of 7 people in Lagos are not okay. I'm sorry, so it means out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm sorry that I'm pointing to you. You know who is not okay. Mental problem, out of that 4, I can bet it, I swear it, that out of that 4, number 1 out of the 4 is Lastma. If you are here, you are mad. Lastma officials, out of every time they will come up to you like rapture. You will not even be expecting them. For people that are driving, you know this joke. For regular, when I get to Keke, I'll come to you. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Not Keke, Danfu. When you're on the road, Lastma will always appear to you out of nowhere. Hey, Alpha. There's always a new offense that you never knew existed. You're on the yellow box, you're on the desert lane, you're on the Baba. And if you are driving in Lagos, all the road signs are always hidden. And last time people used to hide it intentionally. Especially on the mainland, not here. On the mainland, Yaba. Yaba is a mad in Yaba, you never ever know where is one way. Never. If you're in Yaba, how you know one way, first of all, is as you're about to enter there, people will shout, hey, no enter, they'll go kill you, hey. That's, if you want to clap, you can always clap, That's how you know you're in one way. Or, how you really know you're in trouble in one way in Yaba is when you are confidently driving and every other person that is passing you is shaking their head. You know you are gone. Lastma with their spiritual phones. Even if that phone is flat, once they bring it outside, even though the battery is dead, once they bring it outside, it must record. People that are using charm. Out of the remaining 3 people, now there are 4 out of mad people in Lagos. Out of that 3, Danfo drivers are like 2 out of that 3. Danfo. First of all, have you noticed that nobody drives Danfo in Lagos with indicator? You don't see that what people call trafficating light. Nobody sees it. No, you will never see a Danfo driver that is driving with indicator. And if he has it, he never knows how to use it. Never. One day, I'm not making this up, I swear it. I was standing on this side of the road. Danfo driver was indicating this place. Pam, pam, pam. So, me, I now moved to this other side. Before I could say anything, this guy just zoomed past this place. And I was like, what happened? Like, where? You don't see me? You know, since they come. I said, bro, you were showing here, but you came here. He said, Shebi, they show you where you go pass. 4 out of 7. Mad people. If you not value life until you see where they used to train Danfo drivers on how to move. In Lagos, nobody teaches them what concerns them in driving school or your uncle that is educated. What concerns them in that one? These are they teach Danfo drivers how to drive. They just Mumuni swa show Yahweh. Mumuni will come. They'll give him a steering. Oh yeah, Dimu, hold it. Mumuni will hold it. They'll say, aha. Yibai, he will turn. Yibai. I want it. This is someone that's going to join you on the same road of you that you have goals. You that are driving your own ride, hoping that you see tomorrow. That guy will join you. You now say you should know how to use traffic light. Then the last people that are mad in that 4 out of 7, are the people, and if you are here, you are actually very mad. You people that spell LOL, and you put Z at the back. LOLs. Were you laughing and sleeping off? What were you doing? You spell LOL, you put X, LOL, X. What's the meaning of LOL, X? Were you laughing and playing a xylophone? What were you doing? Some of you people even double the X's. You be like LOL, XX. Like you were laughing and you were I'm Ovyy Godwin. Enjoy the rest of the night.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Ovyy Godwin. Funny Bone Live, Aina Son.